Esithombeni umuntu amaziyo ukuthi unkosikazi uMacele. Thina nje which is nothing.
You guys
Kukhona abantu abangavumi ukuthi umndeni one.
Kade sihleli for years ingekho problem.
Uyakhuluma nje.
I don't know how many years later there is something eshoda edinga uMakhwela. Rob the builder.
hey yele lapha ku retreat yenze izinto zaba wesi.
Sibulela intendle.
Wathatha istand sokumela uthi awuzange uyenza ama-IVF kodwa mina I knew ukuthi wawenza several times.
Kahle kahle besiphila amanga from the beginning.
Kwakufuze ngabe ngireversile nje back fast.
This still lies. Akukhulunywa iqiniso, akunaqiniso, and umuntu ophethe iqiniso lonke umseleku. Because umseleku spends time with the wives, and then mabafika etafuleni bonke abazani ukuthi umseleku uthi 1 2 3 kulo nalo. There's more lies kule story. There's more lies. Akunaqiniso. And umuntu ongayenza kucace kube neqiniso umseleku nje kuphela. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. What uMangwabe said about Umseleku recognizing uMacele as the only wife there, I think it's probably true, because every time Umseleku enenkinga noma efuna umbono, he goes to uMacele because uMacele agrees with anything Umseleku afuna ukuyenza. Uyamsupporta, and some people said uMacele acts like umama kaMseleku, umfazi kaMseleku, so everything azoyenza uyayisupport. As much as alawile ukuthi ayenze isithembu, as much as alawile ukuthi sas number 5, asazi ukuthi uheads kangakanani uMacele, but the way ayenza ngakhona izocapture naye in future, because umseleku asumuntu ozoba sure ukuthi he's straightforward, uyalikhuluma iqiniso, uyajikilana, so it might catch up noMacele. And also uMakhomalo, ngokubona kwami guys, I understand ukuthi unimazeke kakhulu and kukhulunywa amagama abhlungu, amaningi abhlungu kuye, but I feel like imnimaza kakhulu indaba kaSamkekhwela. Iyamnimaza every time yena makakhuluma, as much as complain ukuthi uMacele uhlezi ekhuluma ngoMakhomalo, uMakhomalo uhlezi ekhuluma ngoMakhwela, and bonke labantu laba bezisithembile. And okubhora kakhulu is that uMacele is not kahle akakhulumeli ama-feelings wakhe, sekalwela uMakhwela la. That's why alwa noMakhomalo, because uMakhomalo is standing her ground ukuthi yey akamfuni uMakhwela. But uMacele, instead of fighting for her own fights, her own emotions, ulwela kahle uMakhwela, ulwa indaba ka-number 5. Le war ayisekho phakathi kwabo, seyinoMakhwela kahle ngaphakathi. I feel like the only way for this relationship to work is umseleku talking iqiniso kubafazi bakhe and being honest, and yonke into ayikhulume nomunye umfazi angayishare ngomunye umfazi, because baphila impilo is different, bahlala endlini is different. Him going to uMacele and speaking about the IVF kaMakhomalo while he knows very well ukuthi abazwana abafazi kahle is wrong. That's why Macele has a nerve ukhuluma ngendaba yokuthi uThobile ubeletha nini, uThobile kenzakalani ngaye ngesisu sakhe nge-IVF or whatsoever. Asindawo yakhe leyo, but because uMusa had the nerve ukuthi asuka khona ezozomtshela ukuthi uThobile phela yenzakala 1 2 3 1 2 3, that's why Macele has i-audacity yokuthi akhulume publicly nge-IVF kaThobile, and kuba ngathi manje ukhohlakele and stuff. No, uMusa uyakha zonke lezi zinto. Guys, then what are your thoughts on this? Yazi akulungi nje kule relationship. Akulungi kulesithembu. Asazi ngathi sibukela imovie. What are your thoughts on this? Thank you for watching.